in order to find some energy in the room is to do a video with somebody, right? Maybe you don't like to do videos by yourself because you're like, I don't feel like I'm talking to anybody, and then you get stiff and weird and awkward. But if you find somebody who you can play off of, that can be really helpful. We can laugh, we can joke, and as she's saying something, I'm like, oh, that sparks an idea. If you're feeling like having somebody behind the camera isn't enough, because unfortunately, they can't vocalize their laugh. I think sometimes people are almost like a little shocked at first. They're like, am I not funny? Like, am I making you uncomfortable? And it's like, I can't laugh at your jokes or it's gonna ruin your video.
Yeah.
Like, it's gonna be really weird in the edit if you have like producers in the background.
Yeah, learning to live with the
discomfort.
The discomfort, yeah, the weight, the heaviness of what you just said, or maybe the joke, like laying it out there and knowing that somebody on the other side of a computer screen or a phone screen is laughing at you, even if you're not getting that in the room.